Make a great choice today with the 2021 Titan. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.6-liter engine and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, cargo bed light, LED, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, transmission temperature gauge, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.